Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing to verify your Appen account to start working on AI training and data annotation projects, follow these essential step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit appen.com/joinourcrowd and create your contributor account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Step 2. Log in to your new Appen account using the credentials you just created. You'll be directed to your contributor dashboard. Step 3. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Appen. This email is sent immediately after account creation and contains a link to verify your email address. Step 4. Open the verification email from Appen and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you to the Appen website and verify your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, log into your Appen account and look for an option to resend the verification email from your account settings. Step 6. Complete your profile by providing accurate personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, country of residence, and primary language. Step 7. Provide your contact details, including your current address and phone number. Appen may use this information to verify your identity and send important updates. Step 8. Complete the required demographic surveys and skills assessments. These help Appen match you with appropriate projects based on your qualifications and interests. Step 9. Set up your payment information by choosing your preferred payment method and entering the necessary details. Appen offers various payment options, including PayPal and Payoneer. Step 10. Upload any required identification documents if requested by Appen for verification purposes. This may include a government-issued ID, depending on your location. Step 11. Wait for Appen to review and verify your account information. Once approved, you'll receive an email notification and can start applying for available projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.